and welcome to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and on this channel you will find lots of decorating and DIY ideas. Happy 2023. This is my first video upload for the new year, and I am looking forward to a blessed new year for you all. And today's video, I am just getting my family room back in order. I packed away all of my Christmas items over the weekend, and we had a few get-togethers over the holiday season, so I need to clean the carpet here in the family room. So I am just tidying up by starting off by vacuuming. A lot of glitter and sequins and just all the things that fall off of the Christmas tree and the ornaments are all over the place. So I had to really vacuum over the carpet a few times to really make sure I got everything up. One thing about the Dyson vacuum cleaner, you can turn up the speed on it or the torque to get more of a deeper suction. So I really needed to do that in certain spaces. Like I said, it was lots of little glitter pieces in the carpet and on the couch and just in the crevices throughout the room. So I had to make sure to get all of that up before I went in with my carpet cleaner. When you're putting things away for the holiday season, what is the hardest part about that? I think the answer will be putting everything back, right? You have to pull out all of your bins and containers to pack everything away, and boy, was it a task. So we look forward to decorating and the thought of how it all will look for the holiday season, but boy, is it a job when it's time to get things back in order. But hey, that is a part of the holiday season and the process, and honestly, I really do enjoy it. It just takes me a few days to get everything put away and get the house back in order. So again, that's what I am doing here today. I am just going over the couch to make sure I've gotten any glitter, any food, any debris that may be in the crevices of the couch. Having little ones over and even the adults, we were having a good time entertaining in the family room. So, over time, there is going to be some dust and debris that needs to be cleaned up. So I am just getting everything nice and refreshed and checking the cushions to make sure there's nothing underneath there, so I could clean it up while I am in the groove. So I am just gonna move the furniture back into place and get ready to shampoo my carpet, and I'll come back soon. This carpet cleaner is a Bissell ProHeat. I think it's Pet ProHeat carpet cleaner, and I absolutely love this carpet cleaner. I've had it a little over a year now, and it is a beast when it comes to cleaning the carpets. It is very thorough. It sucks up all of the dirty water out of the carpet, which is the number one thing I'm looking for in a carpet cleaner, is the suction. It's nothing like cleaning your carpet and you have, water stuck in the carpet and then dirt starts to come to the surface over time. That is just the most disgusting thing ever. So that was a really important thing that I looked for when purchasing this carpet cleaner. I did watch a few videos to see reviews from other YouTubers and also on TikTok to see what carpet cleaners everyone was raving about, and this was one of them. So a 10 out of 10 for this carpet cleaner. I also used the attachments to clean upholstery, and I've used the attachment to clean my seats in my car, which is time to do that again, having a 4-year-old. This again is a 10 out of 10, highly recommended, and it will get the job done. After the holidays, I do like to clean my carpet and, get everything nice and clean from all the foot traffic from guests being over. And I also clean my carpet before the holidays, before we have guests over. So my carpet stays pretty clean because I do try to get to it pretty frequently. This is the next day. I was really tired after cleaning the carpet and getting all the Christmas stuff put away. So that was like a part one of getting the family room back in order. And so now I'm just going in and decorating the room and putting the color palette, more of some blues in there, blues and creams, and a little bit of black. I love these pillows. They are from Home Goods, and you've probably seen them in one of my prior videos. I love the feel of the outside. It's like a soft velvet feel, and I love the design on them as well. Those navy blue pillows are pillows I picked up in a recent haul, my after Christmas clearance haul that I did the day, I think it was on New Year's Eve or New Year's or December 30th, I'm sorry. So that's when I picked up those pillows, and my haul video is up. If you'd like to take a look at that, I bought some really nice things. This throw blanket I've had for a while. It's just a soft microfiber throw blanket. This ginger jar is something that I picked up over at Home Goods as well. I did pick up 2 of them, and these ginger jars also came from Home Goods, which are one of my favorite things. I love these. So I did get the taller one and a shorter one. So I'm just styling the fireplace with these. I did have them in my formal living room, but I thought they would look good in here to go with this gray and navy blue and cream scheme that I'm going with today. So this candle stand I did pick up over at Home Goods as well. That's my place. And I really love the butterflies and the details on that. Those are the outer cloches that hold the candles on the candle stand. And I am just going to place some battery operated LED flicker candles in them that I picked up on Amazon, and they are really pretty. They give off a glass look, but they are plastic. Now I am just styling this entry table that I have placed behind the sofa. So for now it is working as a sofa console so that I can place my different decor pieces behind the sofa and give it some height. These stems I did pick up over at Home Goods a while back. Absolutely love these. They are so versatile. You can place them in so many different things, and because they're white, they go with pretty much everything. These decorative boxes also came from Home Goods. I got them almost, I think, a year ago. They are so super cute. And these really cute statues I did pick up over at Ross for a steal. I think they were like $8.99. Really love those. And I am just placing a little table up to the sofa. This is a arrangement that I made for my birthday. It was on New Year's Day, and my husband bought me some roses, and I just created this really pretty flower arrangement. So I am going to sit it here to bring the look together. I am going to finish off by spraying some room spray, and it is a woodsy smell, very tranquil smell. And I do my videos at nighttime, so everyone was in bed, and I like to finish off the room with a nice hint of aroma that we can smell when we wake up in the morning. And here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed.